For today's video, we're gonna talk about on how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide integers.
But first, what is integers? Integers consist of all positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, and zero. We can illustrate integers using a number line. Zero is neither positive nor negative. Negative numbers are on the left of zero, while positive numbers are on the right of zero.
Pupunta, ba't hindi mo ba alam na ulan ngayon at hindi ka nakadala ng payong?
Eh, kala ko makulimlim lang, kaya, hindi ako nagdala ng payong.
Okay. Dapat palagi kang updated sa temperature. Alam mo ba, kung alam mo yung mga temperatures, mas tatalino ka sa math sa adding and subtracting integers.
Huwag tayong mapili.
Dahil kaya mo mag-add at subtract ang weather or yung temperature. Bye-bye! Ingat! Ano, gusto niyo ba malaman kung anong panahon bukas? Halika kayo at mag-add tayo ng integers. Go!
Adding integers. If we add the same sign, like positive plus positive, it will be positive. And if we plus negative and negative, it will be negative.
Go!
In the morning, the temperature is 6 degrees Celsius, and in the afternoon, it goes up by 7 degrees Celsius. And to get the total temperature in the afternoon, we're gonna add them both. 6 plus 7 equals 13, so it's 13 degrees Celsius.
Positive.
Positive. Another example is when we add negative to negative. Negative Celsius, 7 degrees Celsius, plus negative 6 degrees Celsius is we simply add them both. And we're gonna get negative 13 degrees Celsius.
Nice one!